How to download YouTube videos on Android or iOS without app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you through downloading YouTube videos. So without further ado, let's begin. Launch YouTube app and sign into your account. You can scroll down from your home feed and look for the video you wanna download. So simply you can tap on three dots of any particular video and from the section you need to search for download. Sometimes the creator have made their accounts video do not let other downloads, so we do not find this option. But suppose let's try for another video. If this is the video that I want to download, you can tap three dots and here you will see the option of download if it is enabled. You can tap download video and then according to your internet connections and the storage, you will see that it will take a few time in order to download. You can even open a particular video if you want to download. So if there is download button, you can tap on download button and download the video. Some of the videos might have the premium features, so if you are the premium user on YouTube, then you can easily download those videos as well. But if not, you can use third-party app and download YouTube videos on Android or iOS without app. So that's all for today. I hope this guide worked, and if you're new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.